Hey everyone, today we're talking about something very simple, but very powerful. A small coin, just 5 cents, from the year 2005. Most people ignore it. Some people spend it without thinking. But a few people know its real value. What if I told you, one small mistake on this coin can make it worth much more? Let's find out. The 2005 nickel is a common coin. Millions were made. You can still find it in your pocket, your drawer, or old jars at home. But here's the interesting part, some of these coins were made with errors. And in the coin world, errors mean money. What type of coin is this? The 2005 nickel is part of the Jefferson Nickel series. In 2005, special designs were made. You might see different styles of Jefferson's face. Some coins show a new portrait. Some look slightly different from older ones. This is normal. But errors are not normal. Common errors to look for: double die error. Look closely at the letters and numbers. If you see doubling, like shadows, that coin could be valuable. Off-center strike. If the design is not in the center, if part of the coin looks missing, that is an error. Die crack. Small lines across the coin, like cracks on the surface. These can increase value. Missing details. If something looks faded or missing, like letters or parts of the face, that's also important. Why are error coins valuable? Because they are rare. Machines are designed to make perfect coins. So when a mistake happens, only a small number of coins are affected. Collectors love rare things. And rarity creates demand. Demand creates value. How much can it be worth? A normal 2005 nickel is worth just 5 cents. But an error coin can be worth $10, $50, even $100 or more. Some rare cases go even higher. It all depends on the type of error and the condition of the coin. How to check your coin: take a simple magnifying glass. Or use your phone camera. Look closely at the year 2005. The word Liberty. The face of Jefferson. The edges of the coin. Turn it slowly in light. Sometimes errors are only visible from one angle. Real talk, not every 2005 nickel is valuable. Let's be clear. Most of them are normal. But if you don't check, you might miss something important. People have found valuable coins, in pocket change, in old boxes, even on the ground. Tip for beginners: start saving coins. Don't rush. Don't expect instant money. Learn slowly. Check carefully. Over time, you will understand what is special, and what is not. Ending. So next time you see a 2005 nickel, don't ignore it. Take a second look. Because sometimes, small things bring big surprises.